You can show your face though. Oh, you don't want to? Yeah, it's okay. Showing 15 minutes from where?
Yeah,
कितना minute?
50.
50 minutes to reach Juhu Beach? अरे बाप रे. Where is the traffic though? Just see. See, if ऐसा scenario है ना, what we can do is we can change the plan, because अगर traffic मिलने ही वाला है तो we can go somewhere else. We can go Gorai side also at night, which seems good, right? हाँ, थोड़ा सा. So what we can do is Borivali side चलते थोड़ा सा. We'll have some food, good food, right?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
कहाँ जाना है?
We'll see ना. पहले we'll take the Western Express Highway, not the Western Express Highway, the Link Road, and वहाँ पर देखते. We'll see something. But anyways, I'm not going to have much, obviously. By the way, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, now it's a Saturday night, so we have decided to go for a short night ride. The time is around 10:20 now, and we thought of going towards Churchgate, but we couldn't, because there is an estimate, there's a prediction that there might be rainfall there, and it will be difficult for us to come back also. And I'm not also wearing I'm not wearing a full gear. I'm just wearing my helmet and my gloves, so that's all. So yeah, and this time I have mounted the camera in a very different way. You guys can see it very clearly. Yes, there will be little bit shots of this, that, everything. So we just thought we'll test this angle also and see. And yes, happy riding, by the way. It's a Saturday night. I hope you all are enjoying today. Obviously, it is 10:45 now. It's very late also. शायद वो रेस्टोरेंट शायद में बंद भी हो जाएगा शायद. Let's see if that cafe is open. We can go. According to Google भैया, it is showing 12 बजे तक है. But let's see, हो जाएगा. It's a Saturday night. बाप रे. By the way, I removed my adventure double take mirrors from the bike, and I've installed the stock mirror back, because this bike does give a lot of vibration. Okay, and it's not just that. Double take mirror जो है, maybe I don't know if it might be the product that I had. थोड़ा सा इशू था उसमें शायद. कुछ भी अगर छोटा सा बम्प आता था, it used to turn and it used to cause me a lot of problems. तो मैं हर टाइम मुझे एडजस्ट करना पड़ता था, and that was a hassle. तो that's why I installed the stock mirror back. At least I know that double take mirrors, they are perfectly used in adventure bikes, और they are more reliable also. और अच्छा चीज़ है, but maybe शायद मैंने जो प्रोडक्ट लिया वो अच्छा नहीं लिया, maybe, and that's why maybe वो अच्छा क्वालिटी का नहीं था, maybe कुछ दूसरा ब्रांड का भी था, I don't know. But I think the costing was almost the same what you get in the market. So don't know. Maybe that's, but still I have that. But अभी के लिए तो I'm using the stock mirror is much better, I think, because वो बहुत issue हो रहा था last time in that Karjat, when we went to Roots Cafe. I myself know parts of the video में तो I didn't show कि मैं बार बार उसको ऐसा उसको घुमा रहा था बार बार, और उसको ऐसे सीधा रख रहा था बिकॉज विजिबिलिटी बहुत ऐसा देखना था पूरा मेरे को बराबर से. तो मे बी इट माइट बी दैट इट इज़ ओनली suited for a adventure bike, not for a sports bike, naked sports bike. Obviously the Duke is a sports bike, and it is more suited towards adventure side, so that's why maybe it might be a possibility, don't know, but let's see. Anyways, for now this bike looks amazing. This bike is amazing. It's raining a little bit, but very less, not much also. That's okay. Oh my god. Bapre. So we had a very light dinner from House of Pasta. Obviously the pastas are good though, no doubt. I liked it. We are heading back home because my pillion wants to go home and it's already very late, 11:30 for her. For boys we don't have any issue as such, but when you're traveling with a girl, obviously she has a lot of restrictions, so we have to respect that. Best thing about DJI is that I was mentioning to my friend here back that best thing about DJI is that they have this magnetic mount, so it directly attaches to the magnetic clip. Okay, and that's what I've done usually. So what DJI has done is that they have given me two such magnetic clip. One is for the helmet that I'm using it here, and the one is attached to the bike. Pillion is trying to hide her face. But anyways, her face is revealed. She doesn't know that. Good thing about this link road is that ki metro hai. So even if it rains, at least side में it won't rain, in between at least. So वहाँ से बीच से निकल जाते हैं, but उसमें भी इतने सारे खड्डे खोद के रखे हैं, क्या बोलेंगे, मतलब सबके लिए. और बीच बीच में कार भी जाएगा, ट्रक्स भी ऐसा आएगा, सबको अंदर अंदर से जाना है. कुछ नहीं. So by the way, I couldn't shoot much जब बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश आ गया था एंड अभी आई एम नियर माई एरिया ओनली, नियर माई घर के एरिया में इधर ही हूँ, बट जस्ट रोमिंग अराउंड बिकॉज बारिश थोड़ा अभी सब बंद हुआ है। Oh my God, बाप रे। I have to drop this lady जो पीछे बैठी है back home. It's already 12 now. Bye. Bye bye. हाँ बाप रे, started raining again. बाप रे क्या चल रहा है क्या पता, don't even know what is the scenario here going on. Because seriously बहुत समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है कि कैसा चल रहा है बीशू। अरे डॉगी, बारिश आ रहा है जा रहा है, आ रहा है जा रहा है, एंड ऐसा भी नहीं है कि तेज़ आ रहा है, बस ऐसा छोटा छोटा ड्रॉपलेट्स छोड़ रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है। ऐसे दिन में इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू नो इफ़ आई शुड व्लॉग और नॉट। See, the whole day my purpose today I was thinking ki I will go towards Churchgate side, do some vlogging and then I'll come back. But obviously the weather, because of the weather, the unpredictable weather, I didn't go. I was supposed to go towards Churchgate and Marine Lines, but नहीं गया मैं। तो लाइक ठीक है, तो आई ड्रॉप डाउन लिटिल बिट फर्दर कि चलो जुहू तक जा सकता, आई कैन गो टू जुहू तक एंड देन आई विल कम बैक। इट वाज शोइंग लाइक हाफ एन आवर समथिंग, मतलब हाफ एन आवर नहीं, कुछ अराउंड 45 मिनट्स, 40 मिनट्स में आई कैन रीच दैट एंड देन आई कैन 40 मिनट्स में आई विल कम बैक ऑल्सो, बिकॉज गोइंग फ्रॉम मीरा रोड टू Churchgate it takes 1 hour, so I was like yeah okay, but because time was also less, because my friend had to also leave early before 12. She had to reach home before 12 and it was already 10:20 या 10:45. तो अभी फिर हम लोग ने सोचा कि अच्छा बैंड बाजा चल रहा है, क्या चल रहा है, so that's why we thought कि what we'll do is best thing is कि we'll go somewhere, we eat and then let's see, we might go towards गोराई साइड पे जाएंगे, वी कैन एक्सप्लोर नाइसली देयर। सो वैसा था, वी थॉट अबाउट दैट, बट वी जस्ट वेंट, हैड पास्ता एंड देन वी केम बैक। बट इवन दो आई वांटेड टू शूट समथिंग, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई टुक, इट्स नॉट अ ह्यूज कंटेंट, ऐसा कुछ कंटेंट नहीं है, बस छोटा सा एक राइड पे जाके आए, नॉट इवन हार्डली 10 किलोमीटर समथिंग, 10-15 किलोमीटर, दैट्स ऑल, हार्डली, बट ठीक है। एनीवेज it was good, everything was good, so that's why for now what I'll do is like I'm ending the vlog here because अभी बारिश वापस बढ़ने का चांस है and I don't want to risk my camera. So if you like it till here, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Okay, as always I will be uploading more such videos in the future. Okay, my username has also been changed. मैंने अपना username change कर दिया to Trailblazer Subbu, because it sounds very unique to according to me and मुझे अच्छा लगा बहुत generally. Trailblazer, which generally means that कि finding new trails, new places, either through bike or through travel, that's what it is. And Subbu being my initial, because my name is Subramanian, I'm Venkatesh Subramanian by the way, so my surname is Subbu, so that's why I kept it like that, and it's a very good name. I मतलब मुझे अच्छा लगा, that's why I am trying to keep it that instead of पहले VS Motovlog बहुत कुछ था, I changed it to Trailblazer Subbu. It sounds good. So yes, for now, thank you so much guys if you have watched it till here. Okay, please do like, share and subscribe. And yes, always remember to ride safely and happily guys. And in this weather condition, always be careful. You never know what might happen. Just be prepared for everything. Okay, if you're a biker and if you're going for a long rides, check all the precautions. ज़्यादा अगर बारिश हो रहा है, heavy rainfall हो रहा है, तो please would advise you to not go, and only travel when the rain subsides better. Okay, so chalo, bye.